Hello fam bam, it's Sienna and today we're going to be doing a little hair transformation. Maybe I should lift this up slightly. That's a little bit better. Okay, today we are reviewing some new hair extensions. These are Halo hair extensions from GooGoo Hair. GooGoo, it reminds me of the GooGoo dolls back in the day. I don't know if you guys used to listen to the GooGoo dolls, but they are the shit. They're so good. Anyway, that band. So GooGoo Hair comes in this little box. They also give you some extra little accessories and pieces that you may or may not need. And along with this cute little bag, which has eyelashes in it, and these are legit. Like, these lashes are actually legit, you guys. Like, they look really cute, so I will definitely be trying those out. And they also give you one of these clips. What is this, a scrunchie? How funny, you get a scrunchie too. Okay. I ordered 2 sets of the Halo extensions. One is the 12 inches and one is the 16 inches because I just thought that that would blend with my short hair a little bit better. So we're gonna use these and hopefully it'll give us a more voluminous big hair look, long hair look. Now, as you can tell, my hair is brown with little blonde streaks in it, and lo and behold, they literally had the exact same color. Like, what the hell? I mean, my hair might be a little bit more warmer in tone than this brown, but for all intents and purposes, it's pretty dang close. Closer than most hair that I've seen out there. So I've never tried a Halo before. Basically, it has clips like this in the back, and it's a thick weft of hair. So it's probably like wearing, I wanna say like 3 rows of hair that are knotted all together, not knotted, sewn. Like sewn all together, and then they have this. I don't know how helpful this is going to be honest, because if it's already clipped into your hair, like, what is this really gonna do? I don't know. Never tried these before. Like I said, we're gonna test it out. Okay, I always like to start at the nape of my neck. So I'm gonna pull up most of my hair, maybe like not quite half, I'm gonna pull up more than half of my hair, like this. Put this in the little clippy doodads that they gave me. I'm gonna have to use a curling iron. So this is good. We'll get to see like how the hair curls as well. And we're gonna put the longer one in first. The hair is really nice. It feels really soft. Hopefully this looks good, girl, because I'm going out for my birthday dinner tonight and I wanna look fire. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna put this like a headband. Like, what do I do? Actually, I'm gonna clip it in first, I think. No, sorry, I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. First, I'm gonna curl my hair. First, I'm gonna put in some curls to blend it because, yeah, I think that's just gonna make it easier to look like it's blended with that hair. And then we're gonna curl that hair too. I just don't like using that much heat on my hair because y'all know the struggles of me trying to grow my hair out, and heat is not very good to use on your hair. So if you can avoid using heat as much as possible, that would be beneficial to growing your hair longer. Plus, my hair just like doesn't curl. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Like, what is that though? Why doesn't it curl? I don't know. I think I might just leave it because maybe the hair extensions will curl and it'll kind of like disguise my hair. I'm hoping. I don't know why my hair never ever curls. It's just, okay, that's better because it's hotter. Taking smaller pieces. Does anybody else out there have a hair texture that just does not curl? Oh, and if you guys want to see how I did this faux neck tattoo, there is a video on that, so you can check that out. So this hair, I'm wondering if I should just curl it while it is not on my head, because that'll make it easier probably. So maybe I will pause this and come right back once this is curled. Okay, be right back. Okay, we're back. So we're gonna try this. All right, so I actually curled both pieces. They curled really nicely. The hair is so freaking soft, you guys. It feels so good. So let's see if it looks good too. I'm just not really sure how to do this. I'm sweating my life away. See what's happening back there. Okay, that looks fine. The part looks fine. First, I'm just gonna put on the clips. And this, we're gonna just pull and leave here for now. Then I'm gonna pull out more hair. Put that in a little bun. Okay, let's see what the back is like now. Okay, cool. Probably should curl some of these pieces. Oh, that's meat. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, some of this hair back here needs to be curled a little bit. Try to blend it in with the rest of the extensions. Yes, there's a few pieces that look a little wonky, if you will. I have the weirdest hair. It's like not straight, but it's also not curly, but it also doesn't hold curls. but it also doesn't stay bone straight if there's any humidity outside. So it's like the worst of all worlds. Which is why I became, you know, interested in wigs and hair extensions from the start because of weird texture hair. Definitely some pieces on the underneath that are just don't want to curl at all of my own hair, but that's okay. That's good enough for now. Let's put this one in and see how it goes. Bam. Let's put this part over our head. Okay. And then hit the sides. Okay, so it looks like that. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then I'm gonna have to curl the top of my hair. Okay, so I think what we're supposed to do with this is pull out my hair in the front to cover it. Like that. Pull some more out. So we're just gonna continue to blend my hair in. Ugh, I just wish my hair was naturally curly and fabulous, right? It would save all of us so much money, so much time. Hopefully these extensions like hold their curl for a few days so that I could just like pop them back in again on day 2, which would be amazing. We're gonna speed this part up because this takes forever, I'm sorry. And it's like everybody knows how to curl their hair. There's not much to it. You just hold for 5 seconds. The trick to making it like last a little bit longer anyway, once you hold it, kind of like hold it up in the curl while it's still hot. So it cools down while it's in the position of the curl. And then hopefully, you know, makes it bouncier. Okay. Oh, there's Meech again. Meech is here!
I almost killed a bum on the freeway.
Oh my god. Okay, you want to say hi to the fam bam real quick and I'm almost finished. What's our thoughts about this hair? New hair extensions.
Oh, I like.
Are they blending?
I mean, they're a little bit darker, but since yours is like an ombre and fades down already, I think it really works. Yes,
okay,
hi,
good.
Tiger.
That's
hi,
what I was
baby.
thinking.
Hi.
Say, get in there, say hi. You look so cute,
Oh,
Meech.
thanks.
Meech
Oh,
is here because
hi,
we're
Bam
doing
Bam. Oh, I
our
can't
birthday.
See me. Hi.
I love you, Meech.
I love you.
Mwah. Mwah. The final results, I think it came out super glamorous. Kind of loving it. And it's like more natural because it's shorter. So it's not like, it blends better with how short my hair is.
Yeah, for sure.
You know?
I love it.
Yeah. Thanks, Meech. Yeah. You can go on the website Googoohair. I will link it down below, and I will also link these Halo hair extensions that I used. The 12-inch one was like $68, and the 16-inch I believe was $89. I'm not gonna lie, that is a little high of a price tag for the amount of hair, but the quality of the hair seems to be really good. It is real hair, it's not synthetic or anything like that. Really soft, it's curling nicely. I hope that it lasts. Obviously, I don't know the longevity yet because I have to test it out. Hairspray it, wash it, get it sweaty, you know, the whole deal. Compared to other hair extension brands, I feel like it's pretty on par with the cost. The back too, so you can see the whole thing blended. Nice and natural. Oh, okay, now it's time for us to get dressed so we can go to birthday dinner.
Yes, birthday dinner.
Oh, hi. Little birthday outfit. Birthday spin. Early birthday dinner. Let's go. Look how cute my Meechy is. Oh, he looks so fucking sharp. Show me the outfit, Meech. Turn around. Oh, yes, baby. I love you.
I love you. Happy birthday.
Thanks, Meech.
Our phone's out. Hold on.
Oh, switching it up.
We're seeing done that way. That's awesome.
Hi. Oh, I love that. Happy birthday. Thank you, baby. Love you. Love you. Double check here. Oh, yeah, how cute. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear me.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. If there's any discount codes, it will be in the description box below. Okay, see ya, bye.